Auntie, look! The fish are jumping!
Yes, Priya, let's catch them.
This one sparkles so brightly, and the basket is filling up magically with fresh chicken and fish.
That smells wonderful. Time to turn you over. Almost perfect. Perfect. This just a little more simmering.
Here you go, Grandma. A special serving for you.
It looks wonderful, my dear. Thank you.
Wow, this is so yummy. I'm so glad you all like it.
So yummy. I'm so glad you're enjoying it.
This is what family is all about.